And this is a short video clip to review the three of these phones. This is a Smart, very small, plain phone, multimedia. It comes with multimedia. And you can play everything. It also comes, the main feature I bought on this phone was FM radio, but it's small, and you see it's made of plastic. It got broken when it fell down. This is made of metallic.